Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
CBAP Business Analysis Professional. Lecture 10, Business Intelligence Perspective. Business Intelligence, BI, from a Certified Business Analysis Professional, CBAP, perspective involves utilizing various techniques, tools, and methodologies to gather, analyze, and interpret data to support decision-making within an organization. CBAP is a certification provided by the International Institute of Business Analysis, IIBA, focusing on advanced skills in business analysis. From a CBAP standpoint, the perspective on business intelligence encompasses several key elements. 1. Requirement analysis. CBAP professionals gather and analyze requirements related to BI initiatives. This involves understanding the business needs, defining objectives, and identifying key performance indicators, KPIs, that will drive BI solutions. 2. Data gathering and integration. CBAP practitioners work on gathering data from various sources within the organization and integrating it into a cohesive data model. This may involve working with data architects and database administrators to ensure data quality and integrity. 3. Data analysis and visualization. CBAP professionals use analytical techniques to extract insights from data. This could involve statistical analysis, data mining, and predictive modeling. They also focus on presenting these insights in a visually appealing and understandable format using BI tools such as Tableau, Power BI, or ClickView. 4. Requirements management. CBAPs manage BI requirements throughout the project lifecycle. This includes documenting requirements, validating them with stakeholders, and ensuring that they are effectively communicated to the development team. 5. BI solution design. CBAPs contribute to the design of BI solutions, ensuring that they meet the business needs and align with the overall architecture of the organization. This involves collaborating with architects and developers to translate requirements into technical specifications. 6. Continuous improvement. CBAPs emphasize continuous improvement in BI processes and solutions. They monitor the performance of BI systems, gather feedback from users, and identify areas for optimization and enhancement. 7. Stakeholder management. CBAPs engage with various stakeholders, including business users, IT teams, and executives, to ensure that BI initiatives are aligned with organizational goals and priorities.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.